Hi and welcome. It's Mandy Napier for Mindset for Success with this week's Mindset Tip. Now, the tip today is to take some time out every day for a few minutes, maybe every few hours if you can, and simply allow your mind to wander or daydream. Now, most people don't like sitting with themselves and listening to their thoughts. They would rather keep plugged into their gadgets. So if that sounds like you, then listen on because you need to learn how to let your mind wander and daydream. When you're working and you're using your thinking brain, you're using up a lot of energy, and the neurochemicals associated with work get depleted. And your brain also uses a lot of energy. So when you're depleted and you're tired, you're not so creative, productive, and we tend to fall back into less than optimal habits. So neuroscience research has shown that if you allow yourself the gift of mind wandering or daydreaming frequently, maybe every hour or two for a couple of minutes, it allows your mind to learn and keep information. So you're enhancing your long-term memory intake of new information. Furthermore, you're also allowing yourself to become more creative, and that has to be a good thing. Now, we have around 60 to 70,000 thoughts each and every day, many of which have become habits. And that means most people aren't even aware what they're talking about. Many of our thoughts have become repeated from previously, and about 90% of our predominant thoughts are negative. And our thoughts influence our health, our body, and our life. Your mind and brain will do whatever it can to ensure that your predominant thoughts are brought into your reality. So if we're not aware of what we're thinking about, and we don't do any deliberate thinking or allowing our mind to go where it wants, we have no idea what's going on. So not only can the daydreaming help you become more creative and learn better and give your mind and brain a rest, if, when you've started this practice, you start to write down some of the thoughts that you've been thinking in your mind wandering time, and you do this repeatedly, you will be able to see patterns. And what you're looking for here is, what type of thoughts do you have predominantly? Are they about possibilities and solutions, your dreams, your future, your goals, or are they keeping you stuck in a negative or a toxic loop of ruminating on what went wrong, or how things aren't fair, or how you failed at something, or how you're not good enough, and all of that stuff? If that's the case, then that in itself you should get excited about, because we can only change with awareness. And remember, your thoughts, many of them have become habits. So unless you listen in and you become aware, you can't change your habits because they're beneath your conscious awareness. So if you do find that you've got a lot of negative and toxic thoughts, then you can consciously decide to recreate new thoughts. Do it consistently, repetitively, and put in better thoughts that are focused on possibilities, what you want, and your future. Then you will eventually rewire your thinking patterns so that when you fall back into your habit mode, which is frequently throughout the day, you will have better thoughts to fall back on. And remember, your thoughts are the precursor of your results. So by actually daydreaming, mind wandering, and then logging what you're saying, you are actually doing active, deliberate, purposeful thinking, and you will therefore be able to create deliberately with intention a better future and the results that you want. So that's my mindset tip today. Take some time out, unplug, and do some mind wandering and daydreaming. And once you've gone into that habit, start writing down with curiosity and kindness some of the comments and the thoughts that you're telling yourself habitually. Thank you, Mandy Napier, Mindset for Success. And please subscribe to my channel and share the video with anyone else that you know it may benefit. Bye for now.